My name is Deanna. I'm from Calgary, and I signed up for the levels 1 through 4 barista course just to get a bit of a better foundation, to kind of some knowledge that I already had, but make sure that, you know, it was correct and up to date. And this course really seemed to fit the bill for that. Instructors were incredible, very knowledgeable, fantastic teachers, really great at kind of breaking things down and explaining the why of everything, not just like telling you what to do. So I found that was so helpful. The part that I think maybe surprised me the most out of it all was how important your grinder is. Like, it doesn't matter how much money you spend on your machine, if your beans in the grinder aren't doing what is supposed to be done, you're never going to end up with a great product. So that is kind of the part that really tied it all in for me, and the course absolutely exceeded my expectations, and 10 out of 10 would recommend.